Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to make slow motion video in your Motorola smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your camera. Here you have to find slow motion. Here it is. Then you have to click on slow motion. You can see it is recording. And friends, this is how you can make slow motion video. You can see friends. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.